just a quick one, because I'm upgrading my reverse lights in my Echo, and going from this to this. Let's see how that goes. Really simple to do on old cars. You don't have to pull half the boot apart just to get it out. There's a little panel here, and there's your tail lights. This one is the reverse light, I think. Looks like it. That one out. New one in. There we go. Pop that back in there. Get in. Go in. Come on. There we go. And that side's done. Yes, it's dark now. That way we can see. So, is it any brighter? It's cleaner. You can actually see this is more of a red and this is blue. That means that's white light. That's not. So why did I change out my reverse bulbs anyway? Was they blown? No. They just inadequate. So a lot of people don't know. There's a reason reversing lights are white. It's so that when you're going backwards, you can actually see where you're going. And as you saw, the one that hadn't changed yet, they're very bright. So they needed to be upgraded. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.